Today, we reassembling Gusin's latest self-developed rope spoke wheel set. The wheel we reworking on today is for the rear. The simplifies logo is laser engraved, which highlights its unique technology. The rims are all marked with QC marks, and each rim is manually inspected before leaving the factory. Next, we inspect the RS276 hubs from Gusin, which weigh only 276 grams for both front and rear. Each spoke weighs only 2.2 grams, and when you pull on them, you can feel their resilience. The spoke ends are made of titanium alloy, ensuring the wheel set's exceptional stability and durability. Because rope spokes are flexible, I prefer to thread them through the hub before lacing the rim. The drive side and brake side spokes have different lengths, a ratio established through extensive testing. With a diameter of 1.6 millimeters, these spokes are compatible with most hubs designed for carbon fiber spokes on the market. The spoke nipples we use are made of aluminum, ensuring both strength and lightweight performance. With the wheel now mostly assembled, we move to the truing stand for spoke tension testing and adjustments. This process ensures that the wheel set is perfectly aligned and ready for use. Each wheel undergoes rigorous inspections before leaving the factory to guarantee top performance. Once the assembly is complete, we will perform a tension release procedure to further enhance the wheel's stability. The bike next to us is an early prototype road bike with a rope spoke wheel set and a titanium frame.